take a look at weights. So we're going to be using the unit of measure called grams. If we have an item and it weighs 2 grams, we know that we have a total of 2 grams. If we add another item that weighs 2 grams as well, we would add those two items together to come up with the total. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So we know we have a total of 4 grams in weight. Now if we add another item that also weighs 2 grams, we'll be able to find out what the total is by adding them together. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. So we know our total would be 6 grams. Now, we've learned that a quick way of adding up multiple numbers that are the same is to use multiplication. So we can then do 2 times 3. We have 2 plus 2 plus 2. There's 3 weights that are 2 grams each. 2 times 3 is 6. So that's our total weight. 6 grams. 2, 4, 6. Now, if we know that the total weight is 6 grams, and we know that we have 3 items that are equal weight, how would we come to find out how much each weighs? Now, if we have 3 items that weigh 6 grams in total, we can now figure out how much each item weighs. Remember, when we have a total and we want to effectively divide this so that we know what one of the items would weigh, we're going to be using division. And we'll be doing 6 divided by 3 because we have 3 items and our total is 6. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. And we will see this by dividing it up. So if we gave each one of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see here we have 2 sticks here. We have 2 here. And we have 2 here. 2, 4, 6. So each one of these items weighs 2 grams. Now I'm going to share with you a format that you can use to help you solve these problems. So remember, if you know at least 2 pieces of information, you're going to be able to solve for the third. So if you know how much weight each item has and how many items you have, you'll be able to get the total by taking the weight times the quantity, the number of items. That will get you to the total. And if you have the total and the weight, you'll be able to solve for the quantity by using division. The total divided by the weight will equal the quantity. And if you have the total number of items and the quantity, you'll be able to solve for the weight of each item by dividing as well. Total divided by quantity will equal the weight. Now I hope you'll be able to take this information and solve the problems.